Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to continue working through the grade 10 term 1 test. I'm going to be finishing up question 4. So in 4.3 we are given this equation and we are told to make v the subject of the formula. So what that means is we want to have v on one side and everything else on the other side. Okay, so how we do this is very much how we do normal solving equations. So we're just trying to take everything across to get v by itself. So I'm going to do it. I'll do it right at the bottom, and then we can, let me just copy this down quick. Okay, so let's do it here. So the formula we are given is E is equal to a half mv squared plus mgh. So this is a science formula, so you might see this in physics. Doesn't matter even if you don't do physics, we can manipulate this. So we want to get v all by itself. So first of all, I'm going to take this part across. Okay, so I was adding on that side, so I'm going to take it across and I have to do the opposite. So I'm going to subtract on that side, which means my formula is going to become E minus mgh is equal to a half mv squared. Next up, I'm going to take across everything in front of v. So I'm going to take across this half m. Okay, so I was timesing on this side. On this side, I was going a half m times v. So when I take it across, I'm going to divide. So on that side then, I'm going to end up with E minus mgh divided by half m. And that is equal to v squared. If I'm dividing by half, you could probably leave it like this, but I think, they'd want you to be able to see this. So if I'm dividing by a half, that is the same as timesing it by 2. So I could also, let's just put this into perspective. So if I've got E minus mgh, if I am dividing that by a half, remember we can use that keep, flip, change rule. So then it's going to be keep the first term, change the sign, flip the second. Okay, so it's the same as timesing it by 2. So I could then rewrite this as 2 times the top divided by m, okay, is equal to v squared. And then the final thing is I want to get that v all by itself. So what I would do is I would just square root both sides to get the v by itself, so it doesn't have that square next to it. Okay, so I would put a square root here, and then a square root here, and that would cancel that. So in the end then, I'm going to get v, let's write it up here, v is equal to the square root of 2e minus mgh divided by m. Okay, and that's as far as you can go for. Okay, if we then go to 4.4, we've got Katang saves 1 Rand and 2 Rand coins in his money box to buy 60 Rand data bundles. He counts 34 coins after opening his box. So how many 1 Rand coins were in his money box? So there will be a few ways of working out a question like this. How I kind of did it was I just played around with the number of coins and then making sure they add up to 60. So what I did was I started with the 2 Rand coins because those are going to be the most important. They're the biggest amount. So I tried this a few different ways. And what I said is the number of coins and then the amount. Okay, and so I said, what if we had 26 2 Rand coins? That would give me 52 Rand. And then if I had 8 1 Rand coins, that would give me 8 Rand. And so we get the correct amount here, which is 60 Rand. And we get the correct amount of coins. We have 34 coins. And so this is how I broke it down. I did have to play around a bit, so I tried a few different amounts. So I said, what if I had 30 2-Yuan coins? What if I had 24 2-Yuan coins? So you just got to play around like this until you get the correct number of coins. I need 34 coins, and they have to add up to 60 in the end. I hope this video helped. Let me know if you have any questions.